Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Brother HL1110 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First of all, go to the YouTube description. In a YouTube description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive link and second is the Mega link. Click on the any link, Google Drive link or Mega link. I click on the Mega link and Mega link is open in my web browser. Here we find the Mega link. Here we find download, go to the download. Here we find standard download, click on standard download and our download is first started on our website. And after that it started on our PC or laptop. So be a patient and wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Download is started on the PC or laptop. It's completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop, or right click on it, cut it and paste it on our desktop. Okay, close it. Here we find our setup file. There are two ways to install this setup file. First, double click on it and it's asked for the yes and don't install it, just double click on it and it's unzip your files on your PC or laptop, create a new folder. Or second option is to unzip, right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK and it's also unzip, same process. And here we find the newly created folder, double click on it. Here we find install, double click on it. Here we find driver. Here we find GDI, double click on it, 3264, double click on it, and here we find our files or our setup files. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds. Here we find add a printer or scanner, click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed, click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual setting, select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation, click at here. And if you find any port name USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port, click on the next, click on Havadix, go to the browse, go to the desktop, go to our newly extracted folder, double click on it, double click on it, double click on driver, double click on GDI, double click on 3264. Here we find our folder BROHL12A. Select that, click on open, click on OK. Here we find our printer name Brother HL1110 series. Select that, click on the next. Give any name that you like. I go with the same name, Brother HL1110 series. I go with the same name and click on the next. It's install your printer in a few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to properly install this printer on your PC or laptop. Our printer is installed. If you want to share this printer, then select last option, network. I don't, so I select do not share this printer, first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners, wait for a few seconds. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Brother HL1110 series, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.